Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here. This is a quick one today, just a brief look at a few things about grading and a good workflow for grading. This is assignment grading for winners. People with the drive and determination to never give up, unlike losers. Losers wouldn't know what drive is if they got hit in the face with a golf ball or a Blu-ray of a Ryan Gosling movie. Or he wears that jacket. One great way to not be a loser is to click on that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Let's talk roles. If you're set as faculty or a teaching assistant on a course, you'll be able to do this. Also, if you have the academic admin or registrar roles, you will also be able to do this. But let's be honest, this is about faculty and teaching assistants. Butt out academic admins and registrars. First, you have a few options for different ways of doing things. Let's go to a course and then onto the assignments tab, and then we'll click on file assignment, this specific assignment. If I wanted to, I could click right here and enter grades. Just easily choose grades for all these students and save, but I really think that sometimes you want to actually have a look at student work before assigning grades, so we're not going to do that. Now, if you have a file type assignment like we're looking at here, we have the ability to annotate within Populi, but some instructors like to use an actual word processing software to track changes and do their annotations there. So if you're doing that, you can use this button to download all of the file submissions at once. Then you'd work through the files and upload them back to each student's assignment as you have them there. Let's hop into one of these assignments here. We'll click the one at the top. You can see that we have a variety of options. We can download this file. I can also open it in a new window if I want, or go into presentation mode for easier reading. But we mentioned annotation. That happens right over here. That little pencil icon lets us annotate. If I click that, then I can come in here, find something I want to comment on, highlight it. You can type in your comments. This is the right direction, but the wrong momentum. That's going to keep this student up at night. Then you save. Then students will be able to see those annotations on their end. A few little pointers there, right? Great. But here's the workflow suggestion that you might not have noticed. Remember, we clicked on the first student assignment here. Then if we go over and click enter grades, we can pop in a grade. We can enter a comment if we want and then save. Or we can go down here and click save and go to the next student. When we do that, boom, we're right on to the next student. We can view their file. We can make annotations, do all that. Then enter a grade and comments and move on, next student. So you can get in a flow that way. Wow. Especially if you're grading something simple, you can just pop a grade in, make a comment, and then on to the next student. That's what winners do. You know what else winners do? Hit that like button. If they haven't already, they click subscribe and turn on those notifications. If you liked this video, you might also like our longer video on running courses. You'll find that down in the description. Check us out on social media. That's all linked below as well. I've been Josh for Populi, and you've been great. Thanks for watching.